Hi there, my name is Ayush P. Gupta, and in this video series, we shall be learning about the Github fundamentals. So, like the series, I have divided into multiple topics. So, these are the different topics that all of the video of this series will be covering. So, the first part is your creating the GitHub account. Of course, when you start with the GitHub, so you must have the account, GitHub account. So if you already have a GitHub account, you can maybe proceed to the next video. But if you do not have a GitHub account, then you must watch the whole video carefully and try following the steps. Okay, so that like the steps that I will be doing. So you should also copy the same, and maybe you can pause the video and do the same step again. Okay, so to begin with, we shall be covering with the first of all creating the GitHub account in this video. So open up a new tab in your favorite browser. Just visit the github.com. Okay, so you shall be presented with the official GitHub website. So I guess this is the first time only that you will be seeing, because later on you shall be redirected to your account. Okay, so here a good thing to notice is that it's not a video, it's something live that is GitHub has built. Okay, so each this arrow going on, it represents a request that a developer makes to the server. Okay, so like see how from where the your request originates and where it ends. Okay, so that's really fascinating. So to begin with, let us just click sign up. So this is like a bit interactive. Okay, so rather than that conventional sign up things, sign the email and password box. Okay, so first of all it asking me like enter your email. Okay, so I shall enter my email. So that's probably your the personal one. Okay, so here I am using my channel email. So it's asking me to create a password. Okay, I shall create a password. So my password is strong. Great. So after entering your email and password, just click on the continue button. So it's asking you to enter a username. Okay, so note the difference over here. Your username is something unique to your account. Okay, so something like you on the Twitter, you have your unique Twitter username. Okay, so same analogy, so you should use a unique username for yourself. Okay, and try choose keeping it a meaningful one. Okay, so for example here, let me just create a username something like DIY by APD. Okay, not that too big and not that too small, and I guess it's like sufficient as short form of my name. Okay, so you can maybe add, if you like not getting the username, you can add 01 or any such pattern. Okay, but try keep it simple. Okay, and it says like it's available, so that's a good for moment for me. So if I just click on continue, it asks me, would you like to receive the product updates and announcement? That's up to you. Would you like to receive? Okay, send me the product details. So verify your account. So first of all, like before we create an account, it asking us to verify that we are not robot. Okay, so please solve this puzzle. In order to continue, click to start puzzle. Pick the spiral galaxy. So I see this is the spiral galaxy that I see. This is the spiral galaxy. Oh, great. So my account is now, my this captcha is verified. So let me just click on the create account. So it's saying like we have sent a code to the your email. So let me just open up my email. So you can see it has provided me an email. So great. So it's now asking me to like welcome to GitHub. How many team members are you? It's like just me. I am a teacher. Okay, not a student, I would say. Great. So what specific features are you using? I choose nothing. Okay, so I just keep it very simple. uh, must continue for free. Okay, so like that's a very good animation that GitHub provides. So here, like you can see, your GitHub basic GitHub profile has been created. Okay, so here if we just look at the different features, like what all GitHub Dashboard provides. So first of all, it's asking us to like read the guide, etc. So introduce yourself, something like that, and etc. etc. Okay, so it first of all, let us create a new project. But like before we jump onto the new project, let us explore the different options that are available over here. Okay, so this is your notification tab. Okay, so any like pull request, any commits or any mentions, comments in different issues, all that notification appear over here. Okay, so like GitHub provides a very good types of different types of filters, like assigned, participating. So these are like different ways to club the different types of notifications. Okay, moving on to the next part, like we have a new add button. So it's like new repository, import repository, new gist, new organization, new project. So like depending upon the need, you can choose any of these following options. Okay, particularly like we in this beginning you will be using these options a lot, that is new repository. So moving on to the next option, like we have profile settings. Okay, so here the profile settings, like you can set a status. Okay, and like it's something like work from home. Let me just set the status, your profile, your repositories, your code spaces, your projects, your stars, your gist. So like each and everything that you have done are clubbed into this menu. So let's visit our profile. So here you can see, like this is my basic public profile that like other people will be seeing. Okay, so like if I just copy it up, now here note that this is your username. So like tomorrow if someone says you to like share your profile, GitHub profile, so just copy up this link, or just like you can even share this much only, like that is github.com/your username. So here my username is diy by apg, so that's why I'm choosing this. So if I just copy this up and open an incognito tab, and let's see like what my public profile looks like. So here you can see my public profile doesn't contain anything. So I haven't uploaded any repository, any projects or any packages. So it's saying just like I joined on 30th January 22. So here also, like if you remember, we set the status, so it's like working from home and nothing etc over here. So let us just come back and try to improve our profile a bit. So first of all, it asking us the name. So let me just enter my name, that is DIY by Ayush P Gupta. Any bio, so bio can be like YouTuber, DIY fan, something like that. You can keep it anyway. So like again, this doesn't give you any extra perks, but it's like in your identity card. So the more you add the details, the more professional it would look. Any company that you choose, so I don't have you have any company, but I shall still use one of my community, that is the dot labs. Any like location, let's say India, website if you have, Twitter account if you have, and just click on the save button. Okay, so now you can see your name and your bio has now appeared on your profile. So now again, if I just open up the incognito tab and look at my profile, now you can see the username is there, your bio is there. Okay, so location etc is also there. So that's like good way to improve your profile. Now let us just change our avatar. Okay, so that's something robotic feeling. So let me just choose my avatar. So it's asking me to set a new profile picture. Okay, I just select mine. Public email, would you like to display public? So it's like currently blocked, no worries. So any username, the URL, different any URL that you want to mention, your Twitter username. So like there are many of different stuffs. So there are other settings options that are available. So like account, you want to like change any username, so you shouldn't use the change the username. Okay, so that's something like very, you should be cautious of that. Any moderation or something like these are, I don't think for the initial purpose you will be needing all this, so just you can omit that. Even omit that. Just important setting that we might generally use is your developer settings. And here like I am presented with three options. First of all is GitHub apps, the second is OAuth apps, and the third is your personal access tokens. So maybe for the starting you can just omit these two options and just directly use the personal access token. So personal access token is something that we shall be using when we will be creating and uploading a new project to our GitHub. So let's deal this with the another video. Okay, so let's not take this over here. Now there are other options also, like this is like very go to shortcut for going to the this dashboard. So this is a dashboard of the GitHub. Any pull request that you have, the issues that you have raised. Marketplace is something like you can explore different apps that is officially supported. Okay, so these are different apps like Circle CI, IMG bot for like is optimizing your image, and other apps are over there. So the last option is you explore, like based on your interest. GitHub will intelligently suggest you some repositories or topics that are going on. So here like you can see the trending developers of the day and trending repository, so you can even visit any repository and like see like different projects that people generally open source. Okay, so I guess this was very basics of your creating your GitHub account. So I hope like the things are clear, and in the next video we shall be dealing with the creating a new repository. So till then, thank you for listening this video, and hopefully we shall be meeting again in our next video. Thank you.